let's get holiday ready. I have been dyeing my own hair Cowboy Copper for the last couple of months. Maintaining my red hair is a little tricky. I definitely don't want to damage my hair, but I definitely want to maintain this pretty red color, which is why I'm so excited to try these. This is the Sally Beauty bondbar permanent hair color line. So not only am I dyeing my hair, I'm also protecting it, repairing it, and hydrating my hair. It also has built-in bonding to help strengthen and condition my hair. Where have these been my whole life? Okay, I can't wait anymore. Let's give these a try. Okay, so here is the final result. Wow. Okay, so I feel like I just left the salon. A couple of things. The color is amazing. It is literally my dream color. I feel like it suits me. I can't stop staring at myself. But most importantly, my hair feels like a dream. The hair feels good. Like, this feels amazing. My hair feels good. Look at that bounce. Okay, before I wrap up, I want to show you guys what it looks like in the sun just so we can see. Okay, so here it is in the sunlight. Oh my gosh. Like for part 2 if you want to see how I achieved this hair color.